Mama wakwaba wafre me Ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo efia pokua vim lady na okase na okyerese 2024 abato eba betui Greater Accra seat de fa NPP fo no mo be win because Greater Accra ha no me no from afrafo ewa ha na project no she thinks say ebia bebra koso ewo Accra na even possible bebre nkoso wa Accra omun krasi no project bebra his excellency na Adon Akufo-Addo aye no bebre koso ansa na omo eba enti no she thinks say seat no the Accra Greater Accra seat no parliamentary seat no NPP fo be fa efa into omo ndwuma ye omo kan ensem a ombeye akere Ghana fo ye both NPP and NDC because it's about time Ghana for ye bisa politicians no questions critical questions oba say na also oba be 24-hour economy then na ode ba be ye betimi aye 24-hour economy no yes say ye fit omfiti na omo kase na ahwo omo to no omo ko no e say bisa omo critical questions asa na omo aba na efia pokua ya kire say NPP for enyama bi wo ha ense moye na moye ni ye because aka na yakwa kwato aba bibia betimi ya change anything can happen enti ne moye mo niam ye enti ensem afia pokua e de etuya
seat na mo no don't joke with the seats enkonya wo Greater Accra region MPP be wini eno de anya by small elections ya catch am say by June July October ye betimi a chode obe wini but for now Accra your cosmopolitan mix population o Accra no trend no some of the seats no do na besan ba be di ye first MPP ho but major seats bi won ma NDC be fa baby ti sa adwa safo won na Michael Kwe Junior enya say we the MPP for seat weja we the MPP seat margin na that between NDC and MPP no drones no will not change it so when we say election the NDC do employ drones the drones no to be conjure vote NDC an kasa nim drones no and to me convert it into vote drones be ya ne say ebe monitor elections na ma but Ghana enfuo ni wan akwaya na wa anya baby akra na drones wo betimi de akọ enti money na ho that's why I like the idea say NDC for wa brochire diaspora most of them are coming to do campaign MPP for wa brochire the diaspora most of them are coming to do campaign omo nyina the technology need in their perspective for eba because drones and twaba MPP for akoye bisa 2012 almost o makwa kofa de ne technology omu ya na this year winning elections in 2012 abato enye brofoka abato ye calculations eno na trike ye resi edu nketia na edu election ye edu nketia ba o se omu collate 5 regions na omu system crash ye calculation strategy door to door room to room. This is why elections we do and die no. This is why elections we do and die. Wa mo ani ana ho na udi agro na ye wa dwene se wo de ba ba ye niama a wa dwene wa so be ye hye wa so be hye issues wo ho let's focus on the issue ni enja chen ye te Ghana abesi ne akwanfun pa ekum Ghana fo akwanfun cause na mbomi ka me ya na me se me ko sehwi akontom brasa nkregwa de me a me krom friends adanse ni amanse na anu ya na ye kan na obo ase de fia ombeya ma e koja kobu ko road there's not even 1 kilometer of coal tie to about MPP for over 20 bloody years not even 1 kilometer of coal tie na Amasia Central Amasia ne capital no kra no coal tie 1 kilometer kra ni ho enso MPT ho no MPD de onye road de but you can push what you say eti yate anu ma ye dede aba obi wuo na me kire wo say ye tua S gracia o tom yate
be som no won som no it's your own choice on my ho because when who say Jimmy wan fan kan ho a choice you have chosen to be ofun you have chosen to be Jimmy you have chosen not to use the agent inside now Captain Smart started by saying say you poison you say confirm nam you all know say confirm is a delicacy in the north part even the southern part it is gaining delicacy I want Ghana confirm ye Say wa say business no. Say omo tutu chinchinga wa abontin nyina Captain Smart asay no. And no one asem ne yeka. Asem ba mo hwe no from a broad view. Don't just narrow it. Because economic impact and effect a Captain Smart Jimmy for we asem wa beka no. E dey ba no. Ehu. Me say ene kwadutonfo omadwuma ebo omo ton aduane omadwuma ebo because we don't know who is after you. Create chaos, fear and panic in a society like this, and you the youth you follow this non-entity. So ono na e kan no kura kire wo. No kura be no woka. Me si mumbisa ne say shisire no okoso akogu Commander Sugar Factory no. And the Commander Sugar Factory no eye adwuma ana. This wicked person. One wadi na fune nam no nim say this for NPP ba power no ye be sika ni obo obedi wanya nsa no ozemu. Say monye papa. Na adia to nipa doctors reporter ba from Germany and also come to Germany and tell the University of Erlangen say and also omoboa. Say your brother no or yare. Now yare say no you can't predict. Maybe his mistake was to have paused ne yaris. I say for the love of the country, muma menye. Na Ghana hospital there. Say the best option is say umu ewo. Because Ghana for no ya maka me say criminal libel or yes anko famra kakra. Because Jimmy nembe pruni system na Jimmy for na donso. It will take us a long way. A long way. Enti na jagezi ne Captain Smart mu Jimmy for company. Azan company. And na dia na jagezi say or bompaye and ma MPP ba power. Shame on you. Shame on you. You only come to ridicule whatever powers you claim you have. And I work with Jasha with them. Shame on you. And then the owner bompaye the MPP ba power na when we say NDC bebenti papa na jawa sorry. Shame on you. Bloody liar. Koshini. A man wo hwe omo bo omo we se ntadwen kape ye chi video ma se wo ba sho se me wo faase wo faase na ne hyempam se ya eye ma a shawo mi Esther anu anu aka na a shawo bibi pastor a shawo pastor a shawo oh ena me frɛ no wa amfa enti no frɛ no na wa amfa no uko nyame ho na nyame ka se ne wo frɛ no amfa dia fa be ye prophecy. Shame. When in a wafere. Na Ghana for no yama religion akata yeni. And to be instead of us to opening our brains, you know. Now we've only opened our hearts. Na sympathy. And no kun. No kun. Kwa we ma wa you more Ghana na jegezi no. Ada ye beka wo on my TV. Na 2 TV beka ye. All he came to say is man no de me weak. Moses na kuma ha ne chen obi aba nyame frɛ no Moses afi obedroy e chen obi a. That is how God works. And this a mimitie me adwamanfo pema didi madi na se nyame frɛ me a or frɛ me to change me to serve his purpose. On frɛ me se me mfa madwaman ne mbra mbeye na adwuma. Who say and your weakness. This is a clear indication say you are not from our most high God. This is clear indication. Now mo Bible school mo call the way. Me a freelancer evangelist. I have my certificate. I completed way back in 2019. Freelancer evangelist. Met my chu at biblically. What do you know about Bible? What do you know about Bible? Enti ya best remo. Captain Smart started said there no could after the osi kumase ba akusu the after the osi ogina hope and a woman say what did the woman do wrong Jimmy for okunafo a osu nikunu hwehwe justice for nikunu believe say mikunu I know ne yare enie we ne kunu wo say wo de enye enoa na nye de onu believe no say Captain if you could help me find the culprit kameda wase wo say me dinatem unim nyansa adwen ade bi oni patrim ye fita ye frɛ na amen nipa amen e da nipa patrim eno ne ye de dwene Captain de no de am say eyetum wa jimi ankasa wa jimi papa panya wa jimi pa say de me kra de am nwanwa adofo mumienya abotre let us believe yen doctors na fe yenko nyame ya aduma oh George enka memo aba bad metama so say ye kwa adwuma on say adwuma ya na ye didi wow, because the social media nanka enkrofo bi o ha wo hia na wabeka so wonim nyansa pa. Nanso kwase aka na no tuma ne abu ni nyansani enti no afane easy to talk am yehu agimifo e wo man. Ebinom afane ne easy to talk ama na yetimi hu agimifo a omugu oman Ghana mu. Pacho ba na wo de amonya share no bese ne nsaka na oti nyansa sem bi na oja agimi no ne Captain Smart. You see, say abekwan etotobi okwa yi a abekwan fie a na okosoe enti enye wanwa se Captain Smart anya obi a ne na anko konaivo se na jegezi na ne oni na bom because tibo nkoso fo mienu azanta na fo mienu wicked souls fo mienu miminsro. It is appointed unto a man to die once. Now who cry untimi nkume because the Jesus no timi muno or so chen untimi nkume. I will tell you wherever I meet you, I will look into your eyes and tell you the truth. I will look into your eyes and tell you the gospel truth. Say what the winyami be and Jessica. Oba mem fine and the obianu nyasem. But ye Jehovah nisi. Elohim. Ne dia ya maun begu no fin. Ya maun begu ye nyankopon no fin. Na ye nkaya no ntum. No, we will talk because the Bible makes us understand. Say yenyi kwasia no won nkwasia sem ho na anya na adwen so nyansafo. Now, Anjiminia, mo amoswale kwa tena o ma sori na 24/7 mote ho no unless of course you are doing